Debbie, I'm too slim and I want to add weight. Debbie, I want to gain weight in the right places. Okay, guys, I've heard you and I've brought your solution today in this video. We are going to be making this smoothie, and trust me, this is what you need to gain that weight massively. Let's go. First off, we are going to be making use of white oats. Yes, the regular white oats, Quaker oats, whatever kind of brand you're using, either the one in the sachet or the one in can. This is how it looks. It contains a lot of nutrients needed for weight gain. Next ingredient is your milk. You can substitute this with yogurt or any full cream milk that's available with you. Next ingredient you're going to be needing for this recipe is banana. You're going to be needing some fresh bananas. Make sure they are not rotten or bad. And the last ingredient you're going to be needing for this power smoothie is peanut. You're going to make use of peanut butter, peanut powder, any form of peanut. So I don't have peanut butter, so I'm going to go ahead to blend my peanut just to make sure that when I'm taking my smoothie, I don't feel any peanut crumbs or particles in my drink. You can as well make use of the normal one, but I don't really like that peanut particles I usually feel. Next, we are going to dissolve our milk and water together in a cup, so that it can help us when blending. Instead of adding normal water, just make sure that you don't add too much water and you don't add little water, depending on how thick or how watery you want your drink to be. So that's the quantity you're going to add into the milk. To prepare your smoothie, go ahead to add all your ingredients into a blender. There's no specific measurement for this. I just make sure I prepare it based on the quantity I can consume. I've added my oats and now I am adding my peanuts, the one that I blended earlier. Next, I'm going in with my bananas. I don't know why I love bananas, but I really love bananas, so I'm going to be adding a lot of it. Yeah, you can actually substitute your banana with avocado, but I don't really like avocado as much, so I am going to use what I love most, which is banana. Lastly, you're going to add your milk, the one we dissolved earlier, into the mixture and give the smoothie a little blend of life. Ta-da! We have our smoothie. Our smoothie is ready. Go ahead to pour it into a cup or a jug or mug or whatever it is you have, and enjoy the yumminess, enjoy the freshness. Look at how smooth it is. It's not too thick and it's not too watery. Come on now, look at this power smoothie. Make sure you take this on empty stomach. Don't joke with this. Trust me, you're going to see amazing results in less than 2 weeks. You can as well add honey to your mixture before blending if you want it to be sweet, but I don't actually want it to be sweet. I love the taste it has. It's so natural, it's so refreshing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be waiting for your testimony. Bye.